In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of creating a fully branded Google document template and showing you how fast and easy it is to set up. In your business, you are most likely sending a Google Doc to somebody at least once a day. Most likely it's going to be to your clients or to other business owners or collaborators, but you could also be sending Google Docs to your team members or using them internally in your business. And while Google Docs are amazing and I love them and I use them every day too, it can look a little bit less professional than it could when you're just sending a plain white Google Doc. So that's why today I want to show you how easy and how fast it is to really inject your brand into your Google Docs. So that means we're putting up your brand colors, we're setting up your brand fonts, and we're really just making sure that the Google Docs are a continuation of your brands and that it's a consistent experience for everybody, no matter how they're working with you or why you're sending them a Google Doc. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your Google Drive and create a new Google Doc. So the first thing that we're going to do is add in your header. So click Insert, Header, and then you're just going to upload the image file that you want as your logo. So think of this as kind of like a letterhead, right? You want it to clearly state what your business is, who you are, etc. So now that you have your header, let's go ahead and add in all of the styles that you have. So you can see all the styles here. I've actually already created a template within my Google Drive, which is why they look like this, but we're going to pretend like they look just normal. You haven't done anything to them. So we're going to put normal text, title, subtitle, etc., into the actual content of your Google Doc. So this is the default, what the text is usually going to look like inside your Google Doc. It's going to be Arial and it's going to be size 11. So the brand font for my brand is Proxima Nova. So I'm going to go ahead and just make all of these Proxima Nova so that I don't have to worry about doing it again. And I actually want my normal text to be size 12, so I'm going to do that so it makes it just a little bit bigger. And then now you can really go have fun and change all of the different styles to what you want them to be. So I'm going to go ahead and apply all of the different stylings that I have, but you can change the size here, you can change the colors and the highlight color behind them, which is pretty easy. So, just go wild, put in whatever you want, and I'll meet you back when you have it all set up. Okay, so now you've put in all of your brand's style transformations, so everything is your brand font and it's your brand colors, and it matches everything else that you have going for your brands. So I don't really use the title one, so that's not consistent, but I just wanted to show something else with the purple background. So now to make sure that all of these stick, we're going to highlight each one. And then this arrow, you're going to click on it and say update normal text to match. And you're going to do this for each style that you have. The really important step is to make sure that you come in here, you hover over options, and you say save as my default styles. So that means that anytime you open a Google Doc inside of your Google account, when you click over here, these are all going to look exactly like what you just set up right now. And make sure you do that, otherwise the time that you just spent here is just going to be lost because you're going to have not saved your work. And there you have it. It's really that simple to create a branded Google Doc template, and now you've set it up, you never have to think about it again. How great is that? If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you join me in the System Support Squad, a private Facebook group where I am here to help you with all of your system needs. So be sure to click the link in the description box below, join us over there, and I will see you next time.